Hi! Welcome to my channel. I was scrolling online the other day looking for inspiration and came across a lava pattern and wondered if it would look cool on my nails. So, why not try it? Let me show you the result. Roll the tape. We're going to start with the base. Here, we're going to use the colors red, orange, and yellow. We're going to apply the colors a little randomly on the nail and then use a brush to mix the colors so that the fire color grows on the nail. If you want one color more than the other, just apply it to your taste. What could go wrong, right? Okay, now we have done the base, but now we are going to try to make the nail design look more like a lava pattern. Paint different blobs here and there in the color black and try to make the blobs different sizes. Don't forget to cure the nail between each step. Even though I don't show this step, I always do it after each step. Finish the nail by applying matte top coat and cure the nail. On nail design number 2, we are going to do a lava pattern. The difference between the first nail design and this one is that I have chosen to have a base in the color gray and have already applied matte top coat on the base. I will then apply the color white, and here we are going to paint a spiderweb pattern. Do not cure the nail when you are done with the spiderweb pattern. Take out different neon chrome powders, and with a brush you lightly apply the color. Of course, I have chosen colors that will resemble lava, but you can choose other colors if you want. When you apply the neon chrome powder, use light movements on the brush. Imagine that you are dusting the nail with a light movement. When you are done, take a larger brush and remove the excess flow of the chrome powder. Finish the nail design by applying top coat and cure the nail. Here, I will show you the easiest way you can make a lava design. Start by painting the nail 2 layers of the color black. Then you take the color white and paint different lines randomly on the nail. Then you harden the nail. After you have hardened the nail, you take a jelly gel color. Choose according to your taste and paint the color above the white color. Harden the nail when you are done and finish with top coat and cure. Now we have come to the last lava design of the day. What do you think? Please tell me by leaving a comment in the comments section. I have chosen to make the base with the colors purple and pink. Here, I have chosen to make an ombre effect with the colors. Then I take the color black and paint different blobs in different sizes on the entire nail. Don't forget to harden the nail between each step because it is quite important. After you have painted the black blobs, you should not harden the nail because we will pour acrylic powder on top. If you do not have acrylic powder, it is great to use white glitter. Works just as well. Before you harden the nail, do not forget to shake the nail to remove the excess nail glitter or acrylic powder. Then, always finish by using a brush to remove the excess acrylic powder or nail glitter once again. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.